Everyone, this is me Sadia here, and I'm taking your second week of July reading, start from the 8th through the 14th of July 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Gemini. So let's see what is heading towards you guys for this week time starting today. I will be adding oracle card in this reading, but no charms. So yeah, stay tuned and let's find out what is coming up for you guys for this week time. While I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. You can also check out my sister's tarot channel. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's see what is coming up for the Geminis for this week time. Let's begin. Three of Cups, paired up with Seven of Cups, paired up with Ace of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Ace of Cups. Wow. Paired up with the Moon. Underneath the deck, you do have the Temperance. I would suggest you to, whatever it is that you are doing right now, keep it secret. Keep it between you and a few people, maybe your close friends and family, because there is something that you are doing. If you're going to share it with someone who is not happy for you, it's not going to happen. Like, you know, if you have some sort of, like, let me give you an example here. Suppose you get a job offer, or you know, you received a call that you are hired for a job, and you know, they have sent you an email to maybe, you know, to give the joining or something. If you are going to share it with someone wrong, you might be, you might get so excited, you're gonna call up everyone and you're gonna tell them, like, look, I have got, you know, I've received this call, I got the job and stuff like that. So I will be joining it next week. And then you hang up the call, you have fun, you get excited, you have, you know, a good time, and then what's going to happen is the job is going to go away from you. It's not going to happen, it's not going to work. Something is going to happen which is going to you know, take away the happiness. So just don't share it with anyone, be that in your love life, be that in your home life, be that in any other, you know, situation. Whatever it is that you're doing in your life, try to keep it secret between you and a few people only who you can trust. It can be your parents, it can be your siblings, it can be very few of you, of your good friends. But don't start, you know, breaking the news to everyone out there before it has happened. There's a strong chance of people having evil eye towards it, and then it will just, you know, go away. Make sure whatever it is that you're getting, whatever it is that you're having, whatever it is that you really feel like celebrating something, there is going to be something in it can be in your love life, it can be in your work life situation, but yes, something beautiful, something huge is happening for you for this week time. But if you don't keep it secret, the energies are going to just, you know, somebody's evil eye is going to wash away the happiness that you're going to have during this week time. So make sure you don't share it with the people that you cannot trust. Again, try to keep it to the limited people, because I cannot emphasize on the fact enough. Because maybe you think, like, you know, this person is your friend, but maybe this is your frenemy. So just be mindful of that energy around you. Or it can be a person in the, you know, if it applies to your love life, maybe it's a person in your person's family, like, you know, it can be your person's you know, it can be somebody in your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife's family who is having some sort of evil eye towards you. So whatever it is that you are getting excited about, it will be going away from you. So try to keep it low key, try not to share it with anyone until and unless it has already happened, which which I, to be very honest, don't see for happening for majority of you. It's going to be very, you know, a little bit of, you know, like maybe a bunch of you who is going to get this good news. For majority of you, I do see you losing this good news to the people, because you are going to talk about it before time, and that's how you're going to lose the energy there. You are going to let this affect get affected by some sort of evil energy, some sort of evil influence is what I'm picking up. So try to protect yourself, try to protect your energies, try to protect good news, try to protect your family, try to protect you know, whatever it is that you are doing right now. Don't share it with many people around you, because They have evil intentions, they have evil eyes towards you and whatever it is that you are trying to have in your life right now. Let's see more cards here. If you wait, if you don't share it out during this week time, if you keep it to yourself only, if you just keep it between you and this person, if it's if you recently got into a relationship maybe, you really need to protect that relationship from from sharing it out with people around you. Again, if you could do that, if you could protect this, if you could keep it secret, it's gonna become the best thing ever in your life. So just try to do that. Try not to share it out with the people around you, because there are certain people around you who have negative intentions towards you. So don't let that spoil the beauty, the abundance that is coming your way. So just don't share it out. Don't. Let's see what the oracle message is for you guys. The presence of love will always cast out fear. Now, since I have said it, try to stay positive about it. Like, if you are protecting it, if you are keeping it between you and this person, it's nothing in the world can spoil the connection that you have with this specific person. If you keep whatever offer you are getting, about your finances or money situation, if you are getting some sort of good news around that, if you keep it to you yourself and this organization wherever you are getting this money from, if you're going to keep it to yourself and this whoever it is in concerned or involved in this situation, nothing in the world can stop it from happening. Don't get fearful if you are keeping it a secret. If you are not keeping it a secret, then you have to get worried, because I do see that it's not going to happen for you then. But if you only if you are keeping it secret, you have nothing to be fearful of. You have to stay positive, you have to get excited, you have to feel positive, and you can break the news after you have gotten it, after you have committed to this person, after you have gotten this job and you have started working. Break this news to people around you once it's done. Don't do it before time. Don't do it when there is no confirmation of it. So try to be patient with it and try not to share more of the information with anyone. I would suggest you to try keeping it to yourself only for at least this week time. Then you can share it with your family maybe. But it's I feel like it's very premature right now, like whatever it is, it's in the beginning stage. And if you share it out right now, somebody can have evil eye. Now I'm picking up one energy with the word premature here. For some of you, if you are conceiving a baby, if you are having if you got pregnant, and if you know that there are people around you who are having bad bad intentions for you, try not to tell don't share the good news with a lot of people there. Maybe tell your parents will never have bad intention for their kids. For sure you can share the good news with them. Your in-laws, like maybe your mother-in-law, father-in-law, share it with them, because they will also not have bad intentions for you. But coming towards the other people, like the family, relatives and stuff like that, try not to share it with them. Again, you will have a strong chance of losing it, and don't let that happen. Don't let any negative person influence you and this beautiful moments of your life, and take them away from you. So just try to protect it, because I feel like there is somebody around you who is not happy, who is not who has bad intention towards you. You should be protecting yourself from this energy, whatever it is, whoever it is. I don't know who it is, but yes, this person is somebody around you. Maybe you don't know, maybe for some of you, maybe you already know who this person is. But protect yourself, protect your relationships, keep things secret. Don't let them don't let the secrets out until it has happened. Suppose if you're pregnant, if you're conceiving, if you're if you have recently conceived, try to keep it secret till the till you reach to the stages where you are showing your baby bump maybe, like just pick however it is resonating with you in your situation. But yes, protect protect your secret, protect your connection, protect your relationship. There is somebody in your life who is not having positive intention towards you, or towards whatever it is that you are trying to celebrate this week time. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.